Hello, welcome to AI Learning. Telangana Current Affairs. Number 8. Economy and Development. The Singareni Thermal Power Plant in Telangana is located in A. Adilabad. The Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project is constructed on which river in Telangana? A. Godavari. The Medicine from the Sky initiative in Telangana aims to deliver A. Medical supplies using drones. The Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project aims to benefit how many farmers in Telangana? A. Over 45 lakh farmers. The Telangana State Technology Services (TSTS) is responsible for A. Developing IT solutions for government services. The Sandbox project in Telangana is aimed at promoting A. Innovation and startup ecosystem. The She Shuttle service in Telangana is aimed at A. Providing safe transport options for women. The Jal Shakti Abhiyan in Telangana aims to promote A. Water conservation and rainwater harvesting. The Digital Telangana initiative focuses on A. Digitization of government services and processes. The Food Processing Policy in Telangana aims to promote A. Agro-based industries and value addition. The Kakatiya Mega Textile Park project in Telangana aims to attract investment in A. Textile and apparel manufacturing. The Dhubri-Fulbari Bridge project in Telangana is part of A. Connectivity improvement in border areas. The Haritha Haram initiative in Telangana aims to A. Increase green cover and afforestation. The ITIR Information Technology Investment Region project in Telangana is located in A. Hyderabad. The MedTech Zone in Telangana is being developed in which city? A. Hyderabad. The Singareni Collieries Company Limited (SCCL) in Telangana is involved in the mining of A. Coal. The Telangana State Industrial Development Corporation (TSIDC) is responsible for A. Promoting industrial infrastructure and investments. The Economic Development Board in Telangana is focused on A. Attracting investments and industries. The Telangana State Innovation Cell (TSIC) is responsible for promoting A. Innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem. The Bathakama Saris initiative in Telangana is aimed at promoting A. Handloom weaving industry. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting learning videos.